Today marks the first full weekday test of commuters as construction on the new Portal Bridge dramatically reduces train service. We spoke with the CEO of NJ Transit and frustrated riders trying to navigate fewer trains and packed platforms. Transportation reporter Elijah Westbrook has the latest from Maplewood.
The commute is already shifting and not in riders' favor. Packed trains, longer waits, and fewer options.
It's usually like a 45-minute commute. I'm guessing it's going to take like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Going to be a couple paths and probably not going to be fun standing on a path that's 99.9% full.
For the next month, Bryce says he's taking advantage of his cross-honored ticket that can be used on the PATH train to get him to work. He and others we caught up with Tuesday are doing the same.
Yeah, PATH to 23rd and then the subway.
These commuters are navigating rail capacity being cut between Newark and Secaucus as crews transfer tracks from the more than century-old Portal Bridge to the new Portal North Bridge. New Jersey Transit says trains on the Northeast Corridor will be reduced from 48 trains an hour to just 18. On weekdays, there is no Midtown direct service into Penn Station from the Gladstone branch or the Morristown and Montclair Boonton lines. Many riders now have to transfer here in Hoboken. New Jersey Transit CEO Chris Kalari says the disruption is necessary.
The most important thing I want people to remember is we're not doing this for fun. We're doing this because there's a brand new bridge that is going to be open in the middle of March. That'll be the first time in 116 years.
But still, commuters are absorbing the short-term hit while trying to figure out what will work for them. What's your game plan over the next few weeks?
I'm working for my husband. He works during the night. We don't know how it's going to be there.
Now, keep in mind that the work will be completed on March 15th, but there's a second component of service changes that start up in the fall. Officials say that will last for about a month. That's the latest at this time from Maplewood, New Jersey. Elijah Westbrook, CBS News, New York.